It's time to use your word under pressure. Today, you are going to learn how to use your focus word when it matters most, not when things are easy. No, but when you feel the pressure, when that pressure hits, when the score is tight, when you make a mistake, when the crowd is loud and frustrating, and when doubt tries to come in and it tries to take over. Take a deep breath. Now, let it go. Picture one pressure moment, a moment that usually makes you spiral or tense up. See it, feel it. Now say your focus word. Say it again, slower, stronger. Let your word cut through the noise, cut through the chaos. Let your word bring you back to yourself, who you are, who you want to be. Your word actually anchors you in the midst of chaos. It helps you reset. It helps you refocus. It helps you compete with purpose. The more you practice saying your word, the more you trust your word and the more you trust yourself. Pressure does not mean panic. Pressure means use tools that you are being taught and watch what happens when you breathe, when you focus, when you say your word. I believe in you. Now it's time for you to believe in you. Focus and get after it.